Now, as far as Brock Commodores go, this is about as good as it gets. Definitely the rarest amongst the Brock Commodores. This black VC features an original 85,000 kilometres, is one of about 13 cars built. It has logbooks, complete history, in stunning concourse condition. It features all its original Uniroyal steel belted radials, including spare. A show car and has had 2 owners in its life. Manual, black VC Commodore built number 443. Come down and have a look at it. It's in our Sydney facility. If you're an astute collector and you want the rarest amongst the Brock Commodores, this is one to see. The car will not disappoint. It is in pretty much an immaculate condition throughout. The interior is like new. The paint is flawless. And I would definitely recommend this car to somebody looking to own a very, very special Brock Commodore.